Good day everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Hot Sports Balita. Para sa balitang sports, dream come true ni Luka Doncic na maging teammate ni LeBron. Inamin ng bagong superstar ng Los Angeles Lakers na si Luka Doncic na magiging dream come true ang paglalaro sa parehong koponan ni LeBron James. It's just like a dream come true. You know, saad ng 2019 NBA Rookie of the Year bilang reaksyon sa pagkakatrade niya sa Lakers mula sa Dallas Mavericks. I always look up to him, and there are so many things I can learn from him. I'm just excited to learn everything and get to play with him. It's an amazing feeling. Dagdag pa ng 6'6" na Slovenian star. Sinabi rin ni Doncic na tinawagan siya kaagad ni James para i-welcome siya sa Lakers. He was in New York and he called me right away. We didn't talk that much because he said, I understand what you're feeling, but that was just really nice of him to call me right away and welcome me to LA. Kwento ng 25 anyos na player. Ipinagpalit kamakailan ng Lakers si Anthony Davis para kay Doncic bilang bahagi ng isang 3-way deal na kasama rin ng Utah Jazz. Kung bago ka lang sa akin channel ay mag-subscribe at pindutin na rin ang notification bell. Maraming salamat!